Today we're going to talk about the really bullish new crypto wallet I just started using and I really love it. That's why I want to share it with you because this wallet has great new integrations and also it rewards its users in different ways. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how it all works, the actual app, and how can you get rewarded for using it. But before that, I need to remind you that financial advisor, this video is not financial advice, always do research, and let's check out today's project. Today, we are talking about a crypto blockchain wallet called Plus Wallet. As I mentioned in the beginning, I started using this wallet. I really love it. And I will show you all the functionality, all the different rewards, all the different functions, utilities it offers, and also it has apps for Android and also for Apple devices. So again, really cool. Everyone can start using it. So first of all, let's jump into the main page to actually learn about the different features, how it all works, all the different rewards. Also, they have really cool and bullish integration with Kaspa. They just announced it on Twitter. You can see we're celebrating our Kaspa integration and listing of Kaspa token on their platform. And actually, they have this really cool giveaway right now where you can actually win 100 USDT. I will show you how to actually get it. You can see right here, Kaspa is the fastest open source, decentralized, fully scalable layer 1 in the world. And I'll also link the full video in the description where I talk about the Kaspa because I believe this could be one of the biggest projects in the up-and-coming bull run. But let's keep our topic about the wallet. So Plus Wallet is your all-in-one crypto powerhouse that offers seamless swap, unprecedented features, and rewards that actually pay. This isn't just another wallet. It's your ticket to the crypto experience that gives you more. And again, you can see here we have the links both for App Store and Google Play. You can find the links in the description for everything what I'm talking on the screen. Next up, let's learn all the different features because of course, when you're picking the wallet, it's really important to pick the wallet with the best features. And this is the reason why I started using Plus Wallet. So let's jump into features. So first of all, it's intuitive and user-friendly. And this is actually a huge thing because right now we have so many new users. And of course, nobody wants to use app with a complex UI. And this is where Plus Wallet really shines. It's super easy to use, super intuitive. It's great for the beginners and also for professionals. Next up, we have on and off ramps. So seamlessly convert fiat to crypto and vice versa. So basically, you can send your stable or like your dollars, euros to crypto, and also you can sell crypto and get your dollars and euros back. Next up, they offer cross-chain swapping. So basically you can swap between different chains because we have so many different chains right now. It's a really important feature. Rewards program, which is actually a pretty big deal and big reason why I'm doing this video. So every time you swap, earn even more by bringing your friends and get a cut every time they swap. I'm going to talk about the rewards a bit more later in the video. Next up, you're getting unified wallet balances, invoicing made simple. This is actually a pretty big deal for me. So get paid your way, create and send invoices in fiat or crypto effortlessly, designed for freelancers and businesses that refuse to settle for slow payments. This is actually a pretty great deal for me because I'm a kind of a freelancer. Next up, you get real-time notifications, easy coin listing applications, mobile first experience, again, really great, custom price alerts, and lastly, quick send contacts. So you can see they have really great list of features, and I really want to concentrate more on the rewards because of course, I know my viewers like different rewards, they like the functionalities, they like great tools, and this tool so far offers all of these things in one ecosystem. So if you click rewards, you can actually learn more about how they reward you. So first of all, share your referral link. So once you sign up, you get a link. I will show you where the link is. Then share your link with friends, family, or anyone online. Every time they swap, you both get USDT. And the more the swaps, the more you earn. So basically, when you invite other people, when they swap, you're getting rewarded. It's again, really great. And you can see right here, no other wallet gives you this. And this is a big reason why I'm doing this video because this could be really great for you. So you can swap, refer, and earn all in USDT. No caps, no hidden fees, no reasons to settle for less. Again, really great. And this is why I think this wallet is growing super fast because of course they're giving really great conditions, great utilities and great features for its users. And best part is it's all super easy to use and you can use it on all the popular devices. So now I'll talk about another option they reward the users. As I mentioned, they just listed Kaspa and the token is KAS. And right now they have 100 USDT that could be yours. So again, it's really simple to participate. Right here, we have all the instructions. So first of all, trade Kaspa token, which is KAS. Make a qualifying trade worth $50 in this time frame. Follow them on x.com. right here, x.com. I'm following them. They have almost 6,000 followers. Like and retweet the post which is pinned, which is right here. And they talk about the exact same thing, and retweet. And the last thing, submit your entry and complete the form before this date. It's super easy, and free random wallets gonna win 100 USDT each. Again, really great rewards, and they're doing these rewards all the time. So if you're into this ecosystem, if you're following them, there's a good chance you're gonna win some of these rewards. And of course, this is free money on top of all the different rewards you get for inviting people. So just to simplify, they have great features, actually like unmatched features if we compare it to other wallets, like on-ramp, off-ramp, invoicing. All of these features are really unique. Next up, you're getting rewarded for inviting friends. And also they're doing lots of big integrations with projects like Caspa, which is one of the biggest projects in the world. And also they're doing lots of different giveaways. And now let's jump into actual app and let's talk about how it all looks from the inside. So I'm using this app on the Apple iPhone. It's super easy to find it on all platforms. Again, the link's in the description. So first of all, when you're creating your account, it's super easy. It takes like a few minutes to actually set it up. And once you're inside the account, you can see we have all the popular tokens. We can send the tokens to different wallets. We can receive crypto. Again, really similar to other centralized exchanges. You can buy crypto using, of course, fiat, and you can sell crypto, basically send the money to your bank. As I mentioned, these features are right here, and you can see it's only 4 buttons, and you get so much functionality. Again, really great UI. Next up on top, we have a search where you can actually, of course, look for different tokens. You can find all your different crypto wallets to send the money to. Next up, they even have NFTs. If you click right here, again, NFTs are not as hype right now, but if the hype and trend comes back, you have it right here. And we have the swaps. This is basically what I mentioned. When you're using swap, you're getting rewarded, and also people who invited you, or if you invited other people, you're also getting rewarded. And if you want to do that, you need to click on the rewards right here button. And right here, you can find your referral link. By the way, you can find my link in the description. If you use my link, of course, you're helping my channel and you're getting more videos. So this is really simple tutorial. On the main page, you get all the functionalities. Next up, you get all the swaps. You can find all the most popular tokens, and you can see they just added at Caspa, and they're adding all the popular tokens all the time. So if you join right now, you're early, and of course, you can get lots of different rewards. And I think this could be a really great all-in-one crypto wallet to actually buy, sell crypto, do invoices if you're a businessman, or actually invite other friends and get rewarded for all these different invites.